Palladium against US dollar this week has fallen in value, and we can see how the price has behaved this week. After the price formed this bearish breakout in the previous week, I have explained that the price could return back up and then continue to reach this support level, and this is something that the price has created. First of all, this one, the price returned, reached this support level, returned all the way back up, reaching this resistance level, and then continue forming this bearish breakout and then continue to fall down even more. Weekly time frame shows us currently the price has returned into bearish mode, where the price has formed this bearish breakout below very important 97.50. Monthly time frame currently it is a bearish. Remember that in the previous week the price was bullish, suggesting further rise in value, but we can see how the price behaves. So the monthly time frame is still open. We have more than a week until this month closes, so everything's still open. I will watch on the lower time frames what happens. But what I can see, the price is almost at the very important support level around 880. We can see that here, which has held the price in the past from falling even more down. Now, the daily time frame currently shows us it is at the great support level, a very important one for the price. If the price makes a bearish breakout, like in this one here, it will suggest further decline down. We can see where the price is heading next. 860.53 is the next support level where the price could go after the price makes a bearish breakout below this one. Will the price make a bearish breakout, or it will continue to rise in value? Currently what I can see, this is suggesting me further decline down because of this bearish breakout on the weekly time frame. But remember, after the price makes this bearish breakout, it usually returns all the way back down to the first support level, the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and that is here 937, just to confirm this bearish breakout as a valid one and then continue to fall down. Now 937.50 is possible because whenever the price goes down, we can say that in this example, when the price goes down and reaches the support level, bounces back up and then fall down if the price decides that the market decides that it will go even more down. So this is a potentially way what I am expecting next week, the price returning up to 937 and then returning all the way back down, unless the price makes a bullish breakout and continues to rise in value. This is something that needs to be watched on the daily basis, and I will watch that inside the forum with the traders. If you would like to check that, feel free. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.